Yo, excuse me. Do you have an internship for this summer?
Yeah, why do you ask?
I go around the country naming the top students by their top internships, and
If you have a top internship that you want to talk about, I go around and asking people for their advice. So
you down to do one?
Sure, yeah, let's do it.
So what exactly are you doing at Salesforce?
I'm an AI software intern and on the Atlas team in Palo Alto.
So everybody says the market is really cooked, but what do you think is the biggest mistake you see with students though when trying to break into a software engineering internship?
I feel like people need to manage their time really well. Just because you know tralalero, tralala, and bombardiero, crocodilo doesn't mean you're gonna get an internship this summer.
So instead of staying clear of brain rotting, of course, what was that key for you to actually land this role at Salesforce, and what made you stand out?
Knowing everything that's on your resume to a T, and having a specialization for yourself. For example, you don't want to be just a basic SWE resume. For example, for me, I specialize myself into AI and showcase that on my resume.
So how do you create that perfect sweet resume?
I really looked into the role itself. If this role called for the skills of like RAG or knowing a specific model, then I would showcase that I have that knowledge on my resume and really show the experience where I used those techniques.
What is the biggest mistake you see with students though in creating a sweet resume?
I think people often focus on putting everything and anything on their resume, like, you know, any side project that they've done, any little working with some client that they've done. But I think what's more important, showing the skills that you've learned through each of these projects. Like, for example, some of these side projects may not have been with a client, may not have been super high profile, but they helped you learn a very important skill for the role that you're applying, and that's important to showcase.
How many lead code questions did you actually do to land this role?
So I actually didn't do that many lead code questions. I instead focused on the specific classes of lead code questions and really mastered those classes. So for example, there's dynamic programming, there's graph types of questions, there's all these like greedy, divide and conquer, all these types of classes. I chose a few questions that really helps me learn the framework to tackle those types of questions and really master that. So total, the amount of lead code questions I might have done may only add up to like 50, but in reality, I really mastered the skills necessary to tackle all the categories of lead code questions.
Now, you're probably on social media a lot. What do you think is the most overrated piece of advice you hear on social media from career influencers?
I feel like everyone says that, you know, you should go to all of your classes. There are some classes that you are much better off just learning the material on your own and spending your time in side projects or other classes. Figuring out which ones to spend time on is a very important balance